This is the March RoccaBox. This box has a value of over £115 and the edit is called The Future is Female. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the March RoccaBox. Let's open her on up. If you have not subscribed already, why don't you hit that subscribe button? I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Hit that notification bell as well. That will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. Oh, we've got some stuffing poking out. Let's open it up and have a little sneaky peek. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, it costs £15 per month and £3.95 postage. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. I think you should get 50% off with that link, but click it and see what happens. It's some sort of percentage off. Who doesn't love money off? You can get a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, and when you do that, it makes the monthly charges cheaper the longer you subscribe for. That made sense in my head. I'm hoping that made sense coming out of my mouth. But this is inside the box. We have the edit card just here. It says that this edit is called The Future is Female. On the website it says this box has a value of £115 and there is not a very good look, but there's a quick sneak peek for you. Let's get digging. On the edit card it just says we're celebrating the power of women with our March edit. We are so inspired by strong, successful women like you who have made it their mission to live life on their terms. And we know there are tons more out there just like you. So this month we've created a box for you to celebrate your success and feel confident and beautiful as you move forward in your new adventures. Featuring 5 products worth over £115. This box is for you. Guys, so the first product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Eclat Skincare London, and this is a hyaluronic acid and shea butter day cream. Wow, this has an RRP of £59.99, so basically £60. It says, say hello to your new skin saviour. If you're a fan of hyaluronic acid, you'll love this moisturiser. It's hyaluronic acid rich formula combined with shea butter to seal and improve the skin barrier, leaving your skin feel soft, smooth, hydrated and ready wherever the day takes you. Yeah, cool. £60 moisturiser, don't mind if I do. If I can open this, it would be great. I have received something by this brand. I don't know if it was this box or another beauty box. Can't remember what it is, but that packaging is reminding me of it because it's striking. That is what it looks like. I love hyaluronic acid as an ingredient in my skincare. That is sealed. I'm leaving that sealed. I'm trying to be good because I'm opening everything, and as soon as you open it, the time starts ticking of when you have to use it by, and I've got so much skincare. But yeah, super happy to get that. Can't wait to try it. Second item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Jekka Black, and this is a play pot. It has a value of £16.50. This play pot is a game changer. It's a multi-use product that goes on silky smooth, blends out like a dream and offers a beautiful colour payoff. Whether you receive gold touch, pink pearl or red touch in this box this month, we love how easy they are to use. It's great for your eyes, lips and cheeks. And it's very versatile. You can use it on its own. You can layer it with other products for a more impact. Yeah, cool. Let's get in here. What shade did I get? I just don't know. Oh, I got pink pearl. It's right in front of me and I couldn't see it. That looks like purple. Like a mauvey. Ooh, can you see the gold iridescent in it? The gold glitter, I mean, not iridescent. Okay, so it basically feels like a lip balm. I've got way too much. I didn't know what I was thinking there, damn it. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Oh, look at the glitter there. That is absolutely beautiful. Because of that glitter, I probably wouldn't put it on my cheeks, if I'm 100% honest with you. But let's pop it on my lips. There it is on my lips. The glitter looks so pretty. Oh, I love that. I really, really love that. The third product we've got in the box is this. So this is by Doctor's Cosmeceuticals, or also known as Doctor's Formula, and this is an instant lip enhancer. This has a value of £29.95, so I might as well say £30. It just says the perfect solution for plumping. Soothe and condition the lips. This non-sticky formula smooths under the lips easily to deliver an optimum hydration for 24 hours, whilst helping to smooth any cracks or dry patches around the mouth. An ideal defence against chapped lips and leaving you with luscious looking pout. Well, I've just put that on my lips, haven't I? So I'm not going to take it off and put this on because glitter. It's going to get everywhere. But let's have a little look. I love this brand. It's one of my favourite skincare products out there, and I've never received anything for lips by this brand. So this is quite cool to get it. This is what it looks like. What's the applicator? Okay, so this is the applicator, just like a lip gloss. Oh my god, it's oozing out. Quick, get the lid on. That's gonna make a mess when I open that back up. Yay. But yeah, I can't wait to use that. As I say, I just love this brand so much. So the fourth item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Favour and Grace, and this is a wax melt in the scent jasmine and oud. Ooh, that smells gorgeous. I love jasmine. This has an RRP of £5, and it just says, reach for the stars with this sensual blend of jasmine and oud. The ancient scent will remind you of bathing under a starry sky, rich and seductive with a floral heart. It's got hints of citrus and juniper berries, blackcurrant, plum, cherry and pine to make it warm and inviting. I love wax melts. That is going to smell absolutely gorgeous when it's lit up there. This is what it looks like underneath. I'm not going to unwrap it because I can't be bothered if I'm honest. But you can see it actually looks like a bar of chocolate, but we mustn't get it confused with chocolate. Fifth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wholly Me, and it's Relief Salts. These have an RRP of £4, so really affordable. It just says it's time to take a break from the hustle and bustle. The Relief Bath Salts are perfect antidote for active bodies. The unique blend of Epsom salts, arnica oil, hemp seed, eucalyptus and frankincense will leave you with a feeling of total relaxation. That sounds awesome. Yeah, that's totally totally sealed up. I can't smell anything there, but that will be going straight in my bathroom. Love a good bath salt. So this is the March RoccaBox. What do you think? Personally, this is a really nice box. I am super excited about the Doctor's Formula lip product. Can't wait to try that out. The Jacquard Black eye, cheek and lip thing that we've got as well, I think it's stunning. I really do. Like I say, I'm probably not going to use that on my cheek because I don't like blobs of glitter on my cheek. It feels really hydrating. If I'm totally honest with you, I probably won't put that on my eye. If I do, I'd have to set it with powder. So I don't know what that would be like, but I suppose I don't know until I try. But for my lips, I can totally see me putting that on my lips time and time again. The moisturiser sounds awesome. Bath salts, so affordable. Hopefully they are nice and they work. That would be brilliant. And yeah, some melts. So everything in that box will definitely be getting used. Very functional box, very useful indeed. Yeah, cool. Gets a massive thumbs up from me. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Do you get this box? If not and you're interested, as I say, the link down below in the information box or the comment box, give that a click. It'll get you a percentage off. I think it's 50% on your first box but don't quote me on that. Definitely click that link and find out. I cannot remember, my memory's so bad. That concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.